Today, we'll delve into an incredible technology, the colossal 50-ton tracked excavator, the 349L, a product of the renowned American firm, Caterpillar. What really gives it an impressive presence isn't just its 400 horsepower, but a component that takes it a step beyond. A disc milling machine from the BMW series, a brainchild of the German manufacturer, Kemmerich. This machine boasts two high-torque hydraulic motors, delivering top-tier performance that is simply unmatched. The BMW cutters exhibit superior performance, demonstrating their power even when confronted with tasks involving rock and reinforced concrete. Kemmerich provides a range of 4 distinct models, ensuring customers have a variety of sizes to choose from depending on their specific needs and tasks. The crown jewel among these models is the BMW 220, the most potent model in the series. Crafted to pair with excavators weighing between 35 to 60 tons, the BMW 220 comes with a cutting width ranging from 130 to 400 millimeters and a depth capacity of 550 to 1000 millimeters. What's even more remarkable is that these disc cutters are equipped to operate underwater, capable of functioning at depths of up to 30 meters. The equipment is conveniently mounted on the arm of the boom, taking the place of the standard bucket, making it an indomitable force in the excavation realm. Sometimes, certain equipment can appear quite intimidating at first glance. One such example is the Keiler, an innovative piece of machinery developed by the German company Mack. But don't be daunted by its severe exterior, because what you're seeing is a lifesaver, an armored demining machine, specifically designed to disarm rather than harm. The Keiler's design is based on the American M48A2 tank. Despite being introduced into service back in 1991, it continues to be an impactful and relevant tool in the field of demining. This machine's operation is facilitated by a bypass draw consisting of a framework and rotor, its primary working tools. Within this robust setup, you'll find 2 rotating shafts, each adorned with a dozen chains with bikes. Impressively, each bike weighs in at 15 kilograms. As the Keiler operates, these bikes penetrate the ground, setting off up to 98% of the mines in their path. Managed by a 2-person crew, the Keiler weighs nearly 54 tons in combat mode. Its engine boasts a considerable power of 1,110 horsepower, and it exhibits a clearing width of 4.7 meters. This hefty machine is a testament to human ingenuity, combining power and precision to create a safer world. Prepare to be captivated by the immense specifications and features of our next machine showcase. Introducing a formidable wheel loader, the 994K, a creation of the reputable American manufacturer, Caterpillar. This mechanical behemoth weighs in at a staggering 242 tons, brandishing a bucket capacity that ranges between 19 to 24.5 cubic meters. The real spectacle is its impressive power output, clocking in at a whopping 1,763 horsepower. The CAT 994K was engineered with a specific purpose in mind: to tackle particularly rigorous tasks in mining operations. Thanks to its enhanced capacity, it guarantees safe operational conditions. When stacked up against its competitors, it offers significantly lower costs per ton of material transported, embodying efficiency at its finest. Caterpillar emphasizes the extraordinary ruggedness of this loader's design, a testament to its extended lifespan. The 994K isn't one to shy away from numerous major overhauls. It's built to withstand and function effectively even under the most demanding conditions, underscoring its robust nature and overall resilience. This machine is more than just a tool. It's a symbol of durability and power. Next up on our list is a machine designed to thrive in mining quarries and take on heavy-duty earth-moving tasks without breaking a sweat. Introducing the mining excavator, crafted by the proficient Japanese manufacturer, Hitachi. This particular model is the X5600. Boasting an astounding operating weight of 549 tons and a bucket capacity of 34 cubic meters, the sheer size of the X5600 might not be immediately apparent when seen from a distance or amidst other machinery. However, make no mistake, this excavator is a giant in its own right. The X5600 demonstrates an impressive unloading height of up to 12.2 meters. Its maximum digging radius reaches 20.2 meters, while its maximum digging depth plunges to 8.8 meters. In the quarry setting, such equipment is typically employed to excavate loosely consolidated rocks, scoop up fragmented rocks, and load them into the beds of large trucks. The X5600 utilizes tracks instead of wheels. These tracks augment the contact surface area with the ground, thereby enhancing traversability. This means that the excavator faces significantly lower risks of getting mired or stuck. The Hitachi X5600, therefore, signifies a masterful blend of power, efficiency, and adaptability in challenging terrains. When we delve into monumental projects in the mining industry, the indispensability of high-performance machines such as the R9800 from Liebherr becomes evident. This mining excavator, with an operating weight that reaches up to 810 tons and a power output just north of 4,000 horsepower, stands as a testament to sheer engineering prowess. The bucket capacity of the R9800 fluctuates between 42 to 47.5 cubic meters, based on the type of shovel utilized. However, what sets this machinery apart is its adaptability. The R9800 offers an option between a diesel engine or a conversion into an electro-hydraulic version, highlighting its versatility. Typically, the Liebherr R9800 collaborates with large dump trucks like the T264 and T284. Regardless of the setting, this excavator ensures exceptional productivity coupled with economical fuel consumption, and to sweeten the deal, it also guarantees comparatively low maintenance costs. The Liebherr R9800, therefore, represents not just sheer power and size, but also cost efficiency and adaptability. Get ready to witness something unlike anything you've ever seen before, and truth be told, it's probably better that way. Presenting the Pioneer Panzer Kodiak, an armored engineering vehicle designed for an intriguing but equally perilous line of work. The Kodiak isn't your average construction site machinery. Instead, it operates in far riskier surroundings, the battlefield. It's specialized for military use, primarily to establish firing positions under duress. Built to be rugged and highly mobile, it can maneuver deftly under enemy fire, either establishing obstructions to impede enemy movement or removing barriers to enhance ally mobility. Despite its robust construction, the Kodiak's dimensions remain compact enough for it to function in confined spaces and navigate narrow corridors. But its capabilities don't stop there. The Pioneer Panzer Kodiak can handle diverse tasks, from mine clearance to disaster relief operations. This marvel is built on the framework of the German Leopard 2 battle tank, albeit with significant modifications, including an armored superstructure. It showcases an array of features, such as a fortified excavator armed with a bucket, a bulldozer blade, and 2 winches located at the front and rear, each boasting a pull force of 9 tons. Operated by a 2 or 3 person crew, the Pioneer Panzer Kodiak embodies versatility, durability, and power, making it an indispensable asset in any combat scenario. Meet our next spotlight feature, the newly enhanced crawler bulldozer from the prestigious Japanese manufacturer, Komatsu, introducing the D375-8. This machine is poised to be an invaluable addition to any corporate equipment arsenal. Boasting an impressive payload of 73 tons, this bulldozer is furnished with state-of-the-art electronic internals and intelligent systems. These elements contribute to making the D375-8 remarkably productive, powerful, efficient, and safe. It comes with a blade boasting a capacity of 22 cubic meters and a working width of 5.2 meters. Though the machine carries a considerable operating weight of almost 73 tons, its engine is no slouch, delivering a solid 474 horsepower. The standout characteristic of the D375-8 is its commitment to environmental preservation. It turns its green badge of honor with the incorporation of a particulate filter, capable of trapping up to 90% of particulate emissions. To top off its eco-friendly features, it's equipped with an automatic idle speed shut-off function that works to reduce fuel consumption and emissions further. The Komatsu D375 Late is the epitome of a power-packed, productivity-driven machine with a conscientious nod towards our planet's health. Wrapping up our showcase today is a demolisher excavator from the esteemed Japanese brand, Kobelco, the SK400 DLC. To clarify, this type of machinery specializes in demolition tasks and the dismantling of old or unwanted structures. These powerful machines disrupt structural integrity, segment scrap metal, and crush concrete to prepare it for recycling. The SK400 DLC, impressively, completes all these tasks in significantly less time. While the SK400 DLC sits in the mid-range in terms of power and size within its series, its performance is far from ordinary. Thanks to a unique design, the machine can adapt to different tasks by adjusting the boom length. For taller structures, a 24-meter boom is utilized. In contrast, for smaller structures or those with sturdy foundations, a more substantial 3.5-meter boom is selected. This shorter boom can be equipped with heavier attachments, weighing up to 4 tons, a full ton more than the capacity of the longer boom. What's more remarkable is that this transition can be smoothly carried out by a team of just 2 operators in a swift 20 minutes. The Kobelco SK400 DLC, therefore, embodies adaptability and efficiency in demolition tasks, showcasing an impressive blend of speed, power, and versatility. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of the world of advanced machinery. Today, we've seen the tremendous power, efficiency, and adaptability these machines bring to a multitude of industries, from construction to mining, from demolition to engineering, and beyond. Their roles, though diverse, are united in their mission to push the boundaries of technology and reshape the landscape of productivity, safety, and environmental consciousness. We hope you found this deep dive as captivating as we did. If you're as excited as we are about these industry-shaping innovations and wanted to keep up with the latest breakthroughs and trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. While you're at it, why not give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with others who might also be interested. And remember, your comments fuel our content, so don't hesitate to let us know your thoughts and questions down below. Stay connected, stay informed, and let's continue this journey of discovery together on this channel. Until next time, bye.